All right, this is a fabulous C4S 2005 original paint, accident-free with an upgraded Fab Speed exhaust. All right, and you can see how that's exciting. We'll hear more of that later when we're driving it. This car just recently, within the last 2,000 miles, had an IMS bearing update and a new clutch. As I mentioned, original paint car. I'll walk around with the paint meter. Nearly flawless car. No door dings, no curved wheels, no major rock chips on the nose. Of course, it's a Porsche, so it's got some very, very fine chips in the bumper, which of course you can't even see. None on the hood. And again, original paint. Look how crisp and clear those headlights are. Reflect the type of care this car has had. Well serviced. Started its life in Atlanta, Georgia, and mainly serviced by Jim Ellis Porsche in Atlanta. Condition of the wheels, original paint. Look at the condition of the brake calipers. No clear coating coming off. No curved wheels. Again, we'll take a look up on the lift in this car. You gotta love those C4S's. This is an 05, so of course, late 05, they went to the 997. So this is the last of the group. Interior is like new. Look at this bolster, not showing wear. Seats are in magnificent condition, as is the center console. Dash, white face gauges. There you go. We're going to do a driving run video, and we'll also put the car up in the air to show you how dry and clean. Look how crisp those exhaust or the taillight lenses are, and of course that upgraded exhaust. The car comes with that Fab Speed. It comes with the control unit to adjust the tuning on that exhaust. Again, look how crisp all the lenses are. They're not cracked, they're not crazed, they're not faded, there's not moisture behind them. This has been a well cared for car. We're going to go ahead and go for a drive, and then we're going to put it up on the C4S with its Fab Speed exhaust on this 95-degree weather day. Air conditioning's cold, but we have heated seats for the winter, and we have a radar detector for when you decide to go too fast. Here we go, little sound. Okay, 2005 C4S. I wanted to do a paint meter walk around. The hood is 4.5. Driver's side front fender is 4. Driver's door 4.4. Left rear quarter, driver's side. Whoop, that didn't work. 4. Roof 4. Sunroof 3. And deck lid, it's not going to read because of the material. 4. Right rear quarter, 5. And right door, 4.5. Right front fender, 4.5. So we walked around the car. It is all original paint. We're going to lift it up to eye level at this point and walk around and try to point out flaws and of course good things. All right, here we are at eye level on the lift. You'll note how nice and clean the nose of the car is. Someone asked me about rock chips a few minutes ago. In the sun I could not see anything. I put a shadow in it and there are a few tiny, there we go. There's just a few tiny that you have to see just in the right light. Hood doesn't have any. And as we did a paint meter reading, we know it's an original paint car. Also look and note how crisp and clear headlight doors are. They're not faded, they're not cloudy. Obviously the car was garage kept. Look how straight the sides are. The reflection, look at that Austin Healey in the reflection. You can see how straight those sides are. Wanted to note also the condition of the wheels, the brake calipers themselves. There's not, it looks like factory fresh, brand new. And as we walk around the whole car, it is like that in every corner, top, down, everywhere. Bumpers are clean, sides are clean. Again, wheels. Tires are deep. They're a Pirelli P0. Bumpers aren't scarred. How crisp and clean the back lights are, lenses are. No fading, no water. And of course you got the big rear end of a C4S here. Now we're going to go on up with the car after we complete the walk around. This car just had a brand new IMS bearing put in it within I think about 1,500 miles ago. The Fab Speed exhaust, of course, is a great upgrade. And we will see that it's not an oil leaker. Of course, most of these 996s are not. Look how straight, look at this reflection of that Speedster in the paint. Really a superb condition car. Obviously was well cared for by everybody that touched this car. Good services, lived in Atlanta, Georgia. Jim Ellis, Porsche, Audi, did most of the franchise repairs, services on it. We're going to go on up in the air now and show you the underside. All right, our final stage here is the underside. Look how clean, even the nose here. It's not scuffed up, not scarred up. Pan's in good shape, hasn't been bottomed out. Tires are good, look at that, good deep tread. And as we walk on back, that engine is just bone dry. Good suspension components in nice shape. You can tell the car's a Southern car, not rusty. All right, you can see it's dry here. Again, all of this has just been opened up, and then here's the exhaust. Cats are still on it, of course. And there's that Fab Speed exhaust. And there it is. That's our presentation of this C4S.